Welcome to the first FabriKit. We are Team 5386, the Freeland Fabricators. For our very first FabriKit, we have an exciting one for you. Popsicle stick catapults. My name is Lucy.
And my name is Gavin. Let's go fling some marshmallows.
If you are wondering, in your kit you should have marshmallows, along with 8 popsicle sticks, 1 spoon, and 3 rubber bands. If you have tinfoil at your home, you can also launch balled up tinfoil.
Now it's time to fabricate. Remember to get your grown-ups' permission before doing this. Step 1. Stack 7 of your popsicle sticks together, and then you'll use one of your rubber band and wrap it around one end of your popsicle stick set. You may have to wrap it around multiple times to get it to stick. Then you're going to want to add your remaining popsicle stick and slide it between the second to last and the last popsicle stick. And then repeatedly secure that with another rubber band. Again, you might have to wrap it a couple times to get it to stick. You'll take your spoon and then you put it on the end of the popsicle stick and use your remaining rubber band to secure that.
We should try them out, Gavin.
We should. Nope, that's what I miss.
I'm gonna try and catch one.
Sure. Nope. I'll stand back.
Oh, I got it.
I bet I could do 2.
I bet I could do 3 of them.
I bet I could do 4.
I don't think 5 will fit on there. I think you beat me on that one. I'm gonna try launching the wrapped up tinfoil balls.
Those go a lot farther.
I'm gonna try to catch it. No, not gonna put you ready.
So that was a lot of fun. But now you may be wondering, how does this work?
Hey, I know how to answer this. This catapult works because elastic energy turns into potential energy, which turns into kinetic energy once you release the rubber band.
Those are a lot of big words. Can you break those down for me?
Of course, elastic energy is the energy stored in an object when it's changed from its original state. Examples are a rubber band, a spring, or a bouncy ball before it bounces off of something. Potential energy is stored energy that an object has. An example of that is a ball at the top of a hill. Kinetic energy is energy of motion, an object in motion. An example is a ball rolling down the hill, or a ball being thrown.
Thanks, Lucy. Using what we learned, let's talk about how we can change this. What if we moved the stack of popsicle sticks across the singular stick? First, pause the video and try this out for yourself. See if it makes a difference in how far the marshmallow goes.
Welcome back. Now let's talk about what happened. When you move the stick, it will launch higher or lower depending on where you slide the popsicle stick. When you move the stick closer to the rubber band at the end, the marshmallow will go further, and when you bring it back to the other end, it won't go as far. This works because when you move the stack closer to the rubber band, it will bend more, causing the spoon to go back further and the marshmallow will launch further. When the stack is at the other end, the popsicle stick won't be close to the spoon, so the rubber band won't stretch as far, causing the marshmallow to not launch very far.
Wow, that was so much fun learning about how catapults work and about kinetic, potential, and elastic energy.
And I can catch a marshmallow in my mouth. We can work on that skill later.
and we hope you had fun and learned a lot. Make sure to give this video a like and check out our other videos for more experiments. We'll see you next time. Bye.